Hi friends! Welcome to Kitchen Princess Bamboo Japanese Everyday Food. Today I'm going to be making Kimchi Fried Rice. It's another quick and easy summer lunch menu. Kimchi is the most selling tsukemono or pickles in Japan, if you believe it or not. I keep kimchi in my fridge almost all the time. The kimchi selling in Japan is not so spicy compared to the authentic Korean kimchi. So if you would like to make it spicy, add Kochu-Jan or chili pepper flakes. Let's get started. Chop scallion into small pieces. Set aside. Cut the pork belly into bite size. Chop the kimchi into small bite size. Beat one egg in my bowl by using my egg fork. Save the one egg for garnishing. Reheat the cooked rice to warm to the touch. The ingredients are all set. Let's start cooking. Heat your wok or frying pan on high. Add in vegetable oil and swirl around the surface. Pour in the egg and give it a quick stir. Make soft scrambled egg and take it out. Wipe off and clean the pan. Continue heating the pan, add in the pork belly, and cook until separate and no longer pink. You can use spam, sausage, or bacon, any protein you like. Go in with your rice and cook until each grain separate and a bit drier. Toss your rice to evaporate excess moisture from the rice. Season with chicken bouillon powder. Chopped kimchi goes in and continue tossing until evenly distributed. As you may realize that I toss frying pan or wok frequently. By tossing, mixing is done faster. Put your scrambled egg back in and toss to combine. Add in a teaspoon of soy sauce from the side. Toss quickly to give it a nice smoky flavor. Add chopped scallion and toss again. And it's pretty much done. Transfer a serving dish and you can enjoy as it is. Today I'm going to finish my kimchi fried rice in a skillet. Heat your skillet on medium and add in the sesame oil. Transfer your fried rice. Topped with scallion, nori seaweed, and toasted sesame seed. Last but not least, put a sunny side up. It's perfect. Mix the runny yolk and crunchy rice on the bottom. Sesame oil adds that nice nutty twist. It really tastes good. I hope you will give it a try. Thank you for watching the video. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. Please visit my website princessbamboo.com for detailed information. And follow me on social media for the daily update. I want you to go to my store on Amazon to check what I'm using in my video. All the link is in the description box below. Thanks again and I will see you soon. Bye!